In the cold winter, two porcupines in love wanted to cuddle for warmth. At first, being too close caused their quills to pierce each other, drawing blood. Later, they adjusted their positions, maintaining an appropriate distance between them, which not only allowed them to keep each other warm, but also protected one another. The porcupine effect reflects the psychological distance effect in interpersonal relationships. Everyone needs a certain self-space, like an invisible bubble that carves out a particular territory for oneself. To prove this assertion, a psychologist conducted an experiment in a large university classroom that had just opened its doors. When there was only one student inside, the psychologist would enter and sit right next to them. The experiment was repeated exactly 80 times, ultimately concluding that in an empty classroom, not a single test subject could tolerate a stranger sitting closely beside them. Although the psychologist tried varying his position, sitting to the subject's left, right, in front, or behind, the test subjects, unaware they were part of an experiment, mostly chose to silently move away to sit elsewhere. Some directly confronted him with, "What are you trying to do?" The porcupine effect is a famous concept in educational psychology, suggesting that educators and students can only achieve good educational outcomes by maintaining appropriate distance in their daily interactions. Later, this theory was widely applied across many fields. People have a strong protective awareness of their personal space. When this space is invaded, they experience discomfort and insecurity, sometimes even anger. Therefore, learning to maintain an appropriate distance is beneficial for forming good interpersonal relationships. For a better relationship between you two, send this article to anyone who doesn't understand the porcupine effect.